Planning a Europe holiday after 40 and stressing about what to pack? You're not alone. The biggest mistake men make is either overpacking or bringing completely wrong clothes for the season. But what I've learned from extensive Europe travel is this: each season requires a completely different approach. Today, I'm giving you the exact clothing essentials you need for spring, summer, fall, and winter in Europe, so you can pack smart, look great, and focus on enjoying your well-deserved holiday. But first, let's talk about the universal mistakes you want to avoid. These apply no matter where or when you're going in Europe. Mistake number 1 is wearing gym clothes outside the gym. Basketball shorts, tank tops, running sneakers, leave them at home unless you're actually working out. European cities are not built for athleisure. Instead, go for clean leather sneakers, loafers, or comfortable boots. You want shoes that say style and function, not "I just left the treadmill." Mistake number 2 is wearing anything cargo. Cargo shorts, baggy pants, or oversized silhouettes scream tourist. European style leans tailored. Even casual wear is fitted and intentional. Think clean lines, not camping gear. Mistake number 3 is loud branding and sports logos. Your Yankees cap, NBA hoodie, or that graphic tee with "I love New York"? It attracts the wrong kind of attention. You're not here to advertise. You're here to blend in and experience the culture. Keep it neutral, clean, and simple. Mistake number 4 is technical outerwear in the city. Unless you're hiking the Dolomites, leave the puffy jackets, rain shells, and trekking gear at home. In urban Europe, structured coats and refined layers are the move, even in rain or snow. Now that we've cleared the biggest style mistakes, it's time to look at why dressing by season really matters across Europe. Europe's seasons aren't subtle. Spring can swing between chilly rain and unexpected sun. Summers get hot, especially in southern Europe. Fall brings crisp, moody shifts. Winter is legitimately cold. You need to pack with precision. Each season has its own personality and its own uniform. Let's start with spring, the season of surprises and layers. Forget predictable weather. Spring likes to keep you guessing. One morning feels like early summer, the next could bring cold rain and gray skies. The key here? Layers that adapt without overpacking. Start with solid base layers. Pack 3 or 4 high-quality t-shirts in neutral tones like navy, gray, white, or black. No graphics. These form the foundation of your daily outfits and can be reworn easily. Add a smart mid-layer. Merino wool sweaters or cotton cardigans are your best friends. Merino regulates temperature and resists odor, so you can wear the same one a few times without a wash. Ideal for limited luggage. Choose a light but weather-ready outer layer. A packable rain jacket is your shield against sudden showers. You don't need a bulky coat, just something compact, water-resistant, and sleek enough for city wear. Bring 2 pairs of tailored jeans or chinos. Neutral tones like olive, navy, or sand work well across all outfits. They hide dirt and pair easily. Footwear matters. You'll be walking a lot. Leather sneakers are perfect for comfort and style. Also pack 1 pair of nicer shoes like minimalist leather lace-ups or clean white sneakers for dinners out. Skip the heavy coats, shorts, loud branding, and yes, leave the college sweatshirt at home. A lightweight scarf goes a long way. European men wear them for good reason. It's practical for shifting temps and adds instant polish to any outfit. Next up, summer, when the heat and style stakes both rise. Everything gets dialed up. The heat, the crowds, the energy. If you're not dressed smartly for it, you'll either melt or stick out. Light, breathable, and tailored is your new mantra. Pack 4 or 5 breathable polo shirts or linen cotton blend button-ups. These are cooler than t-shirts and look 10 times more refined. Stick to light colors and subtle patterns. Bring 2 or 3 elevated t-shirts. Think quality cotton, not gym shirts. You're dressing casually, not sloppily. Shorts should sit above the knee. Opt for 2 or 3 pairs of tailored chinos in neutral colors like khaki, navy, or olive. Avoid cargo pockets and long lengths. Bring 1 pair of lightweight chinos or linen trousers for evenings. Many restaurants and cultural spots frown on shorts after dark, so be ready to upgrade. Footwear makes a difference. Leather sneakers or canvas shoes work during the day. For dinners or nicer outings, bring loafers or clean leather sneakers. Same rule applies here. Stylish shoes only. Skip the gym gear and backyard attire. Athletic shorts, tank tops, and logo-heavy tees may work at home, but in Europe, they'll instantly mark you as a tourist. One traveler summed it up perfectly. Wearing basketball shorts to dinner in Rome felt like showing up in pajamas. Don't be that guy. Sunglasses are non-negotiable. Choose a classic pair, not sporty wraparounds. Also bring a light day bag for water, sunscreen, and layers. Pack one lightweight blazer. Over a polo or linen shirt, it'll take you from street cafe to upscale dinner effortlessly. Then comes fall, a season of color, texture, and smart layering. This is where style meets substance. The light gets softer, the temperatures start to dip, and suddenly, that extra layer you packed becomes your best friend. Autumn is about texture, color, and versatility. Start with 3 or 4 long-sleeve shirts, cotton or merino wool in classic shades like navy, burgundy, or charcoal. Wear them solo or under layers as temps shift. Add 2 quality sweaters, one lightweight, one heavier for late fall. Merino is ideal. It breathes, insulates, and travels well. Choose a versatile jacket. A wool blend bomber, denim jacket, or field jacket works great. It should handle daytime touring and still look appropriate at dinner. Pack 2 or 3 pairs of dark jeans or chinos. Dark washes are versatile, refined, and hide travel stains. Skip distressed styles. Aim for adult sophistication. This is boot season. Leather Chelsea or work boots are perfect for cobblestone streets. Also bring 1 pair of stylish walking shoes for long days. Outerwear should be more substantial than a rain shell. Think wool coat, structured jacket, or lined bomber. Earth tones shine in fall. Burgundy, olive, camel, navy. These blend in and wear well. Bonus, they hide that inevitable espresso spill. A warm neutral wool or cashmere scarf adds polish and warmth. A dinner-worthy sweater in merino or cashmere is key in any restaurant, gallery, or evening show. Finally, winter, where warmth meets sharp style in every layer. Cold? Definitely. Stylish? Even more so. This season separates the sharp from the sloppy, because when the temperatures drop, the layering game gets real. Warmth and refinement go hand in hand. Start with thermals. Merino wool-based layers are a game changer. Pack 2 or 3 long-sleeve tops to wear under sweaters or shirts. Invisible, but incredibly effective. Bring 2 or 3 wool or cashmere sweaters in varying weights. These keep you warm and looking put together. Avoid cotton. It traps cold. Invest in a quality wool coat, whether it's a pea coat, top coat, or tailored overcoat. It should hit mid-thigh and feel warm, structured, and stylish. Wool trousers are ideal, but dark jeans work too. Pack 2 or 3 pairs total. For extreme cold, bring thermal underwear. Waterproof leather boots are essential. City streets get wet, icy, and salty. Choose a pair that grips well but still looks sleek. Also pack 1 nicer shoe for indoor dinners or events. Accessories matter. Think a wool scarf, leather gloves, and a classic beanie. You'll need them. They're your winter armor. Keep them classic and avoid anything too technical or sporty. You'll often take your coat off indoors, so what's underneath still matters. Pack at least 1 sweater refined enough for museums, dinners, and cozy cafes. Think like a European. They invest in fewer, better things. 1 excellent coat, a few fine sweaters, and real accessories, not throwaway extras. That's the winter formula. With the seasons covered, let's zoom out and talk about those timeless pieces that work year-round. No matter the season, a few pieces work all year long. Pack 1 high-quality navy or charcoal sweater. Bring a pair of dark tailored jeans. Include a white or light blue button-up shirt, leather sneakers or shoes that go with anything. Stick to timeless cuts and neutral colors. 5 or 6 versatile pieces can rotate effortlessly across your trip. Better to rewear one great sweater than cycle through 5 cheap ones. Think quality over quantity. Look, this isn't about dressing up to impress strangers. It's about feeling comfortable, confident, and ready for whatever Europe throws at you. Weather-wise or style-wise, when you dress smartly for the season and the setting, you move through cities like a local, not a lost tourist. And that's the real secret to enjoying your trip. What season are you planning to visit Europe? Drop a comment below. I'd love to help you fine-tune your packing list. And if this helped you prep, hit that subscribe button for more practical travel tips for the modern gentleman. Bon voyage, and stay sharp out there.